Check, check. What up, what up? Give me a sec here, gang. I'm just making sure everything's working. Making sure everything is working over here. Check, 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 check. Man, I feel rusty. I haven't streamed in so long. God damn. TikTok chat. I'll put TikTok over here. I'll put this here. Sorry, gang. Give me a sec. All right, I'm nearly there. Bro, I haven't streamed in so long. I feel like such a noob. I literally forget everything. Dilawar, brother. Back at it, my dude. New year. New year, new us. All right. Nish, what up? Happy New Year to you. Gang, let's have a look over here. Abdul, we'll talk about it in a minute. We'll talk about it in a minute. All right, I'm trying to get my life together real quickly over here because this is the first time I've streamed in a while. New year, new stream type shit. And I feel a bit lost, so hang on one sec. Bro. So that's why I was kind of late on the stream. I was like getting everything set up and I was like, man, I feel like such a noob. It's been a hot minute. All right, 2 seconds. I'm nearly there, and then let's get into it. All right, gang. So we're here on gold. New year, new gold. It's going to be a good one. Most traders are kicking things off today. Right? Most traders are kicking things off today. We've had a lot of pre-London volume pushing down over here. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. And Nab, good to see you, brother. Long time. I know. Here we are. New year, new us. So let's do a real quick bit of top-down analysis over here, you guys. I just put a buy position. I have to say some things like off the get. This is not financial advice. Whatever I do, I don't expect anyone else to do. This is just me trading and just talking. It is not financial advice, and it's just for education and entertainment. So let's drop back to the daily. Let's do a bit of a top down over here, you guys, and see where we're at in the grand scheme of things. So the daily, we've had some daily volume pushing down here the last 2 days. All right, whatever is what it is. 4 hour. Damn, you know what's not on? Damn, 1 sec, you guys, because people are going to keep asking this. People are going to keep asking this. Wow, worst start to a stream of all time. Bear with me, bear with me. Bear with a brother. So I'll put this here so you can see the time frames that I'm going to be skipping through type shit. I'll only be dealing with these 4 time frames. Oh my god, what a stress it's been trying to get these streams up. I tried to multi-GigaChad stream like 10 different things, but it's all good. All right, wow, thank you for all the follows and shit like that. You guys on TikTok, back at it. All right, let's have a look. So the 4 hour we've been pushing down, you guys. A lot of red the last few days. I actually caught this trade here. I caught a bit of this sell here yesterday. But the 4 hour created a bit of support here. Pushing down, there's a clear next level of interest, which is here, right? You would imagine that it's going to gravitate towards that level. Let's drop back to the 1 hour. Heavy bearish. Heavy bearish, 30-minute bear, and 15. Just creating a bit of support over here. So, give me 1 sec. Sorry. All right. Fuck. Bro, I'm going to be so much more prepared tomorrow. God damn it, I'm having freaking anxiety attacks over here just trying to make sure everything's running. My psychologist said put buy and I put buy. Wow. Okay. Fair enough. Crypto or Forex? Forex. Suman, what up, brother? What up? All right, so gang, we're clearly moving down, right? We've created a bit of support. There's literally nothing you can do just yet, right? So what I'm going to do here is mark out my zone of support right now. My zone of support is right here. So I want to see either if it can bounce off this area. I'm looking for more of a breakthrough, but what I'm looking for, what I have a feeling is going to be setting up next is something entirely different, and I'll show you that right now. It's good to have you guys here on TikTok. I used to live stream on TikTok and had a lot of success with it and started building a good community, and then I got shut down, but I've switched things up. I'm working with someone within TikTok now, and yeah, the new account's really popping off. Which is awesome. So what I do over here is I open up Zoom. It gives me the opportunity to draw some shit over here. It gives me the opportunity to start drawing some shit. We get artistic with it. So check this out, you guys. So check this out, you guys. This is gold. This is gold, you guys. Oh, that means gold's not showing either. Why can't you see that it's gold? Damn, I'm gonna have to real quickly write gold. Because people spam that question. Which is fair enough, but... Gold. Wow. Nah, bro. Alright, that'll do. Whatever. Fuck, that's obnoxious, though. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Alright. History, brother. Good to see you. It's been a long time. Bro, I'm having anxiety attacks on the highest degree over here because I haven't streamed since last year and fucking shit's all fucked. What up, gang? YouTube boys, TikTok lads. It's good to be back. So check this out for the 50,000th time. I have a... All right, this is what I'm looking for. I believe this is another level that's going to potentially gravitate towards, right? I would like to see something like this happen. I'd like to see it, give it a good test, maybe close smaller body. The next one after that, flip, close, red smaller body. I think this is going to be a great opportunity over here, you guys, to start moving with momentum. Take in the sell order right there. Again, this is for educational purposes only. I don't suggest anyone do anything that I'm doing. I'm just talking about what I personally am going to do. If it forms something like this, I'll take a sell there, anticipating to move with the volume on the way down. If it breaks past this support here, I'll actually add to my position if it can retest that level, right? And I'll add to my position there. I think there's a good opportunity over here for a couple of sell positions today. That's where my head's at, type shit. But anything can happen. So if this, let's just say alternatively, this candle that's open right now flips and breaks through this support level, I'll be interested in a sell still as a breakout to break out below. So there's a couple of potential opportunities. I've got 200k accounts that I'm working on over here. So I'm going to be trading on both them hungies. Wayne, what up, my G? Good to see you. Good to be back in the hot seat. I'm having anxiety attacks. Everything's trying to get shit set up, but we're here. We're here and we're doing the goddamn thing to this day. I can't hear music or anything, so I'm hoping the music's playing for you guys. I'm messed, but it's all good. We'll get through this together. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Let me put a bit of text here. Works chill, Dilawar. Dilawar works all good over here. Doing good, bro. I hope you're well. Yeah, I've been missing talking to you guys. Big year, you guys. Guys, check this out, man. I'm assuming a lot of you guys were potentially like me. You've been putting in a lot of the work coming to the end of last year. Bro, it's a fresh year, man. I'm ready to crush this year. Crush. Discord's been quiet. Yeah, because I've been away. I've been working behind the scenes, but I've been plotting in the dark type shit. You know what I mean? And big year ahead. Bro, new TikTok's blowing up. Hey, Dilawar, it's wild. Kelvin, what up, G? I've taken no trades today. I took one trade only this year. It was a sell up here, but so I'm gonna flick through the Hey, you guys on TikTok and YouTube, does everything sound alright? Like, is the music and my audio sound normal? Can anyone give me like just some sort of indication, just to make sure I can chill out, knowing that it's all good, Dilla? Sick. It's good, sweet. Nice, okay. Bro, I didn't even have a shower. I'm like Anyway. So I've got that level there, you guys. Let me have another real quick flick through here. A big sell-off over here, right? At some sort of key level. Yeah, we've kind of tapped into a pretty major level over here. What do you think of Shiro Neko? I don't know what that is, brother. I have no idea. Do you need any help? Message me. Someone said. Amazing. Thanks, Nish. So see this. Let me make sure you TikTok and shit can see it. Can you see this here? This was like a pretty key level, right? Where I've got my line. It tapped into it once, I always get a bit skeptical with gold, because if you think, oh, it's tapped into it and this support level, it could bounce off now. It's like gold typically doesn't work like that. It will like to really give it a stab and then maybe bounce off. So I personally would be very cautious on the idea of buys, man. Like, I would not want to go against this type of a trend. Like I said, I have a belief that it wants to tap back up into here before it kind of flips around and continues to go with the momentum, but we'll see. We'll see. You think XRP is... I have no idea. I don't know anything about that kind of stuff. Three green show power. I guess so. Yeah, in a sense, like, but also not enough power to overwrite the fact that on all time frames, the daily, the 4 hour, and the third, like every time frame, we're in a heavy bearish momentum. And to see 3 printed green candles doesn't mean much. I think it could just be creating a bit of support, kind of fueling up for a continuation down. Do you look at silver? No, I strictly trade gold, you guys. Yeah, wow. So here we are, back at it. Back at it on stream, back at it, new year, new us. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm locked in. I'm ready to crush this year. Ready to crush this year. I've got plans to try to really help anyone that needs help as well. It's all like, I don't charge it, I don't sell shit, but like, I've got a Discord. There's a Discord in my bio, and you know, it was a bit quiet over this kind of holiday season, but man, I'm ready to crush it with everyone. So what do we got? 7 minutes over here before this candle closes. I would really love it to tap into this level and give me a wick. Like, anyone that's seen what I drew up before was essentially just that. I would love to go with the momentum over here, which is bearish. The Cook, what up, brother? I keep earning. Trader E, you keep saying that. What's your strategy? Just price action breakouts, key areas, waiting for price to react off key areas. I never go below the 15 minutes. So I focus on I actually take trades off the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 and 15, but typically it's the 15. Yesterday or the day before, I caught a massive trade here based on the 4 hour up here. So check this out, you guys. We had a lot of bullish momentum, and I go, damn, like it looks like we're starting to slow down, right? We're getting smaller 4 hour bodies. Not only are we getting smaller 4 hour bodies, we're getting them to flip and close bearish. I said, if this candle here can wick up, which it did, and start to push down, I'll take a sell. What happened? It wicked up, started pushing down. I took a sell there, and it dropped. I took 80%, 85% at like 20 pips, and then the rest dropped for like another 45 pips. And that was purely off the 4 hour chart, which I don't get very often because it's very rare that you'll see a clear signal in the 4 hour. But this would have actually been a nice 4 hour sell right here. But today I've got I like what could be presenting over here. I like what I'm seeing. Would really love this candle to close how it is right now, and the next candle to kind of to print like that. If that can happen, I'll take a sell right here, anticipating it to move down with momentum. If it breaks past this support level, I'll add to my position. I'll add to it there. Type beat. We're doing it, my dudes. We're doing it. 1,000 likes over here on TikTok. Hey, you guys, do you remember one time I got to 150,000 likes on TikTok on a live stream? Bruh? Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, though. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate it. I live stream every day. All right, so I'll be here every day. So make sure you're following if you're not, so you don't miss the stream, my dudes. MT5 is printing different candles from my trading view. Yeah, it's always going to be a little bit different. Damn, follows got spammed through then. Follows got spam city'd. Docs. I have to log into something over here. And if anyone's in Discord and they've got some analysis, if you drop it in my Discord, I'll bring it up on stream and see what you guys are looking at. So please drop some analysis in the Discord if you're looking at something. But make sure you've got some text and shit on it so I can actually understand what you're looking at. You guys, there's a Discord in my bio, a link in my bio. And yeah. We kill it over there. Nah, we're being pretty chill, but we'll pick it up now. Reverse hammer candle. What time frame? Who and where and what do you mean? Bruh. Oh, here we go. Yes, that is me trying to log in. All right, dope. I can see my YouTube cats now. Damn, 55 follows on Tiki. Planning to join the daily stream to pass the challenge, make profit. Okay, amazing. I don't suggest you take the same trades as me at all. Like, if you choose to do that, it's on you. But yeah, I'll be here trading daily. I'm pretty particular with like the setups I take, though. Like, I take high probability setups, and you know, you might not be the same as what you do, but where the fuck? Alright, whatever. Sorry guys, I'll be so much more prepared tomorrow. Bro, I'm literally a noob. I'm just like trying to figure everything out again. All right, what do we got? Someone's in buys. Where's the demand? I don't know what that is. Is this the only pair you trade? What about US30? I only trade gold. I found the most success when I stuck to one pair, one session, one time, one life. Just came across your page today, man. I like your content. Keep it up. Thank you, Adam. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that, my dude. Be live every day. I see your support. I see you. The G's back. Wayne, what up, brother? All right, that was a 30-minute closure right here, you guys. Pretty strong 30-minute, to be honest. I don't take it too much into consideration. Like, I don't really care about it too much. And the reason for that is The reason for that is because whatever. One ticket for a while is what everyone should do. Yeah, I used to, like, obviously when I first started, man, I used to trade every pair. I just thought, well, I'll do this over here and that over there, and just, you know, you think, because that's the thing when you in trading, you think more is more. Like, because most things in life, the more you do, like it equates to generally more results. But in trading, you start to realize that less is actually more. And the more you do, the more you lose. Like, the more you play the game, the more you're exposed to losing, essentially. And, like, people underestimate the amount of mental capacity that it takes to kind of be involved in a trade. It's quite taxing, and the more you do it, the more, like, mentally fatigued you can get and start making silly decisions type shit. 1 hour order block for buy. Yeah, I don't know about any of that. Yes, Daniel is the best. Santi, you're the best. Hey, you guys, I'm on YouTube as well if you want to see the full screen. From TikTok, if you guys want to see full screen, I'm on YouTube. Yui Chewy. I'm on little Yui Chewy right now. So, like, the thing is, like, this is showing bullish momentum, right? The candle bodies are getting bigger. But I'm not sold. I'm not sold just yet. Yeah, when you're new, you jump around every different thing. Definitely. Yeah. Thanks for the roses over there, you guys. Here's the thing, when my old TikTok got shut down over here, bro, I had like $20 worth of gifts and shit. I'm like, where's my money? I could have brought a cheap challenge with that money. Like, do you use a stop loss? Absolutely. You have to use a stop loss, you guys. Stop loss is like 101. Here's the thing. Before you enter any position, you already need to know where you're going to put your stop loss and your take profit. You don't go, oh, I'm going to enter now and then I'll figure it out later. That's what amateurs do. I want to exercise professionalism, and I know that professionalism means being a professional over here and knowing that, yeah, bro, we're using stops, we're using TPs, we're using all sorts of shit. Why'd your old TikTok get shut down? Bro, it was literally a mistake. Like, I would be live streaming, then it would just get shut down, and it would say, oh, scams and frauds. Anyway, I'm in connection with like this TikTok company now that should be able to help me keep it up. And I have to say things like, this is not financial advice, and it's for educational purposes only. Anyway, do you have a Telegram channel? No, but I have a Discord in my bio over there. Join the Discord, guys. If you're into trading, like, I'm telling you guys, like, if you're hungry for this shit, like, please be in the Discord, because I'm going full steam this year. Like, by the end of the year, I'm personally going to be in a very different position. I just know it within my soul, based on the work that I know I'm going to be putting in. And, bro, if you're in that same mindset, please join the Discord, because I'm hungry to be around like-minded individuals. No, you can't just write. It's not financial advice. It doesn't do anything, bro. I've tried it all. Another Discord recommendation. Yeah, but D, my Discord's free. It's just literally me saying I enjoy trading, and like I want friends. Give me friends, please, please. Like, I don't sell anything at all, right? And I understand why people are like, oh, Discord. It's like, no, I actually just want friends type shit. Do you post signals? Nah, not really. I trade live, so like, what's the point? I don't believe in signals. Like, it's a scam, really, if you ask me. It's not a scam, but it's so dumb. Like, I don't promote any dumb shit like that. I'll be your friend. You better. You were just trying to roast me, D. Thanks, Dylan. I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, that's it. Here's the like, you know, a lot of people have been complimenting me saying, like, I've read comments in that saying, bro, like, you seem real, like, the trading industry is flooded with fakery, blah, blah, blah. I grew up in, like, I grew up in poverty. I'll just say that, right? I can't be fake. Like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let's have a look over here. We've got a strong 4 hour. See how before I said I don't trust this movement up? I was like, yeah, the candle body's getting bigger, but it just, nah, I'm not buying it. It's a sell setup. Yeah, I'm very looking for sells, but I need a signal to give me confirmation of an entry. And right now I haven't got that. So I'm going to hang out for a second over here and see how this next 15 prints. What site should I start on? So, okay, I'm actually glad you reminded me about this. Hey, you guys. The number one message and shit that I always get is, how do I start? Hey, bro, I want to learn trading. Perfect. No, sorry. They say, teach me how to trade. And what the fuck do they say? They say something along the lines of that. And I say, well, have you learned a little bit, or are you completely fresh? And usually they're completely fresh. And it's like, hey bro, I can't teach you how to completely learn it. Like, do you want me to quickly text? Okay, so I want you to understand what a B-book broker is, and then when I want you to do that, understand the foreign exchange market and how the currencies work within each other, and you know, primary and secondary. It's like, what the fuck? Hey bro, at least put a little bit of effort in and actually Google what is trading. Like, please guys, put a little bit of effort in. You know what I mean? It's like people just want you to kind of do it all for them. And it's like, bro, just at least go into Google, what is trading? That's what I say. Just start Googling. And then once you learn a little bit of the basics, then bro, I'm all help. I've got your back, bro. I'll help the shit out of you. Type shit. But please do a little bit of work. Are you trading funded account? Yeah, but I'm on two 100K accounts, challenge accounts at the moment. I want to get in the multi 6-figure funded account digits. So that's what I'll be doing on stream. What changed in 3 years? Like, if I stick to one strategy, why it start work only in 2-3 years? It's not the strategy that starts to work in 2-3 years. It's your mental ability to execute the strategy. Boom. That's what it is, okay? Humble beginnings. Yeah. Bro, you were exaggerating. Exaggerating what? The poverty part? Bro, if you don't want it, bro, I could get into fucking my upbringing. It's not what you probably think. You don't use MACD? I don't use any indicators, bro. Shane, I'm amazing, brother. Shane. Shane, you're the one that suggested that I link with the TikTok company, aren't you? Bro, I did it. Thank you for that advice. That actually, I think that's going to help. Thank you, bro. I actually really appreciate that. Because when you said it, I looked into it, I was like, what the fuck, this is nothing. And then I looked into it more and I was like, oh shit, yep, this is actually really good. Yeah, the agency's Dilawar. So I linked with one. They actually messaged me and I said, yeah, nah, awesome. Thank you, brother. All right, so check this out, you guys. We've got 4.5 minutes over here for this candle closure. The new 30's open. The 1 hour's still open. Let's have a look. There's potential. There's potential over here for a sell from around this area as well. The market's it's just warming itself up over here. Let's just be patient. Do you always execute on the 15? Energy, good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Love that you're here, bro. I bet it is, Edras. I bet it is, brother. Do you always execute on the 15? No, everything. No, they actually don't take a cut from your profits, Dillawar. I think they get some sort of... They get something from TikTok. I don't know what it is. Harry, what up, brother? I don't trade SMC, no, bro. There's a lot of free videos for people to learn. Some people just want to learn quick and make a lot of money. That's not how trading works. Absolutely. Absolutely. And I get it. Like when I came in, you know what? I'm going to be real, you guys. And this is why I partly don't get it. When I first came across trading, I immediately knew this isn't going to be a get rich quick. I know how the world works. Nothing in the world gets you rich quick. Like there's no easy money. And if it is, it comes and goes quick. So when I got into trade and I said to myself, I'm willing to invest the time. Like, you know, I wasn't fooled. I don't know why people get I don't know. I'm not judging. I just don't know how people get so fooled into thinking it's a get rich quick thing. I always took the financial market serious, and I thought, man, I really have to learn this. And the first thing I did was did the entire Baby Pips course, even though I probably didn't need to. I was like, why not? Like, let me prove to myself that I actually want this and do a boring course. But it actually did teach me some important shit. Where people just want to go, okay, Signal Group, make me money. And it's like, hey, it's like trying to learn to be the best car race driver, but you know nothing about cars. You don't know about how tires grip roads. I know nothing about fucking cars, but you know what I mean? Like if you want to take it serious, you really got to like understand the fundamentals of what makes something something. Wow, thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. What up, Marshall? We're waiting. Ling Iliga Kularama. We're waiting. We'll see, Dylan. Yeah, Fed, I'm back. New account, new me, new year. Very good to be back. I'm a bit like, this stream's a bit whack because first one back, it's not set up properly, but we're here, we're doing it. Do you plan on selling? If so, why? Okay, if I do, there's two components to taking an entry for me. And again, this is not financial advice, educational purposes, and I'm just doing this for me, whatever. There's two things. You have to have an overall bias of what direction you think the market's going to go in. And if you think it's going to go in that direction, then you want to be along on the ride, right? But then there's a second component, which is now I need to look for an actual entry signal. It's all fair enough for me to say, okay, I can see that we're bearish and I want to go with it, but where am I going to enter? Because you could just close your eyes and enter, but the markets don't really work like that. They spike around, like it could spike up and then go down. So you kind of have to use the knowledge of what you have of price action to identify an area to actually enter. So my bias is somewhat bearish. Now I'm looking for an opportunity to actually enter. And what is that opportunity? Well, maybe if this current candle closes similar to what it is and the next one wicks up and starts to push down, I might look at taking a sell there. Personally, I think that makes sense. This could potentially be some sort of pullback on a downtrend. Let me quickly look through some other time frames and see if that makes sense anywhere else. This current 15 just engulfed the other one. I wasn't believing the fact that this was doing that. And actually, I'm going to open up NinjaTrader right now because that's exactly what I'm going to do. Shit, I should have opened this up. fucking left left it a bit late. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And I might actually miss this opportunity right here because I've been fucking around. But I'd need a wick here first. Yeah, it's dropping now. Like I don't know if it's going to continue, but I need it to create a top wick first. Yeah, you guys, I'll be live streaming every day again over here on TikTok and YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now, you guys. Full screen type shit. It's not like a little phone. So if you're into that, that's pretty cool. So let me pull some shit up here because I'm actually liking what I'm seeing. Bro, I've got so much shit on my screen. I'll be so much more prepared tomorrow. Yep, I like this. I like what I'm seeing. Poisonly. If anyone was here earlier, I literally said I want to see it come up and test this area up here. It kind of didn't test it completely, but it got pretty flippin' close. Let's drop to the 15. So I'm going to do a real quick bit of analysis again. So how long's the 4 hour got left? The 4 hours still healthy. It's got a decent amount of time. This one reservation I do have is this is a pretty high 4 hour rejection zone. I didn't realize that, I'll be honest. So let me just use my brain here real quick. So when you're looking at taking an entry to go with the flow, you got to look at the 4 hour and look at all these 4 hours that are rejecting off this area, right? And it's, if you look on if you like scroll across and shit, it's happened multiple times on other areas as well. And this is the thing, before you take an entry, go through it, try to find, like, challenge yourself and go, let me see if I can beat myself. Is there reasons why this is a bad trade? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to discredit this trade. I'm trying to make this trade a bad idea. And so there's one thing that makes it a bad idea, but there's plenty of others that make it good. Let me look at the 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour's... It's got 10 minutes left. 30-minute whatever. And the 15. I'll tell you what I would really like to see, you guys, is if this 1 hour can close. If this 1 hour can close, like, I think it might be a good idea to wait for this 1 hour to close. If this 1 hour can close like this, small body, the next one wick up, this could be a good 1 hour support for a continuation down. Take a sell there. Let me go back to the 15. Interesting. Interesting. Man, crazy comments. I'm trying to read the comments over here. Thank you, Muhammad, brother. Thank you. So check this out, you guys. We're kind of running. So if my idea was like for this to flip, you know what I mean, and me to kind of take a sell there, I don't do that within like the last 4 minutes of a 15-minute candle, right? And you got to think about it. We're kind of running out of time now. It's got 9 minutes to close. This, within 9 minutes, it's also a 1 hour candle closure. I think the smart thing to do here, you guys, is to wait for this 1 hour to close. What do you guys reckon? Do you think that's a smarter idea? I think that's a smarter idea. Because the 1 hour is going to give us the 1 hour is going to give us a stronger confirmation of what the next potential move could be. Because think about it like this, you guys. That 1 hour, it can do two things right now. Check this out. That 1 hour can close like this. Or it can close like this. Them two things tell a very different story. Right? So... yeah, see, John, it's... yeah, so... pays to wait, exactly. There's no rush over here, you guys. Right? I don't like buys at all. I won't be taking any buys today whatsoever. Absolutely not. We've got one level of support here. We've got another right here. Bro, I'm not buying up through that shit. I want clean traffic to the left-hand side if I'm taking an entry. And I know... actually, I don't know, to be honest. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is clean over here. See this? If we took sells, the first thing is this wick. So I could take off 85% of this wick and let the rest run to here type shit. You've always got to look to the left and go, is there clean traffic there? Or am I just being an idiot? These are the questions that plague scientists for years and years. Wait for the 30-minute retracement, form resistance, and take short. But so that's interesting you say, because like I said before, like there's technically already been a level of resistance being formed now, right? This is our resistance here. We obviously tapped into it and came back down. But that's all good, but there's overall bias of what trade you want to kind of move with, but then there's entry signal. So although I know I want to take a sell today, I still need to wait for the candles to print in such a way that it's a signal for me to enter, right? And that hasn't printed yet, so I can't do anything. And it might not print. That's the game of trading. We had a lot of volume pre-London, right? A lot of volume Asia sesh type shit. So like maybe it needs a breather. Maybe it just needs a breather. We all need a breather sometimes. No chart on the screen? Yeah, there is. Is there no chart? Please buy into me so I can front run. Bruh? Haven't caught your streams in a while. This is the first one of the year, Laser. Good to see you back. I haven't seen your name in the chat. Bro, my other TikTok got closed down and shit, so this is a fresh account. Back at it strong this year. First stream on this. First stream type shit. Ready to crush the game. Hey, you guys, we'll be back in 1 sec. Damn, is that too dark? All right. Two and a half years, Devon. Probably getting close to 3, to be honest. So getting some volume pushing up here. You would think that it needs a bit of retracement like it is now because, you know, look at this volume, like pre-London, Asia, pre-London. It's all it's done is move down. Thanks for that, for letting me know there, you guys. All right, so let's have a look. Cool. 1 hour. Yeah, it's just having a bit of retracement. Oh, look at that 4 hour. Like, what's the chances of 4 hour rejecting too much further than that? Actually, who knows? Who knows? I have no idea. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe it's ready to bounce off. You know, I don't. You know what? Here's the thing. I actually remember I looked at. Oh wow! Somebody sent some sort of gift over here. Oxy, thank you. Appreciate that one. That I know it means something when it pops up on the chat. Appreciate that a lot. Wild. But check this out. So I don't trust this range here. I think that needs to get filled to some degree. I think this, you know, needs to come down here and potentially bounce off or something. But I'm sus on this naked range here. So we'll see. Be honest, how much profits have you made? I'll quit my job if it's worth it. Hey, Pierce, it's not worth it because guess what? Quitting your job will be the worst thing you could do. It takes years to be able to make consistent profits, right? You don't, bro. You don't need to quit your job. I've still got a job. What are you talking about? Like, you don't need to quit your job. I trade the session that I trade is 6 p.m. I can work throughout the day and then trade at night. Like, why would you quit your job? Quit your job if you're making ridiculous money, right? And if you dislike your job, I actually like my job. Like, I've got a pretty chill job. I work for a gas company. Like, I help businesses grow and things like that. Like, I enjoy my job. There's no need to quit your job. But if you hate your job, then you need to put the fucking work in, like really work at this stuff, get good at it, know that it's going to take time, and then have ambition to quit your job down the track. Big 4 hour rejection over here, push up. A lot of sellers probably got tagged out over here. Oh, no worries, Oxy. Hey brother, I'm very young and from a foreign country. I work hard. All I want to do is understand. Then you got to get working, my brother. Start Googling what is day trading? What is Forex? What's a strategy? What's a candlestick? What's a doji? What's an engulfing? Like really actually put effort in and start to understand the basics of this game. Once you understand the basics, start rocking up to this stream. We can talk about some technical analysis and we can start to really get into the nitty gritty. Dead knows every day. I quit my job at the end of November after 5 years of trading. I disliked my job and trading finally worked. Amazing, BR. But here the key thing, after 5 years of trading. Because here's the thing, you guys. There's a difference between I made a bit of money today during the trading, or I know through past data that I consistently withdraw money from the markets enough to pay for my bills and live the lifestyle I want. Security, right? If you quit your job, man, and you have a losing week, you got no money, then how are you going to trade? You have no money. Vance, what up, G? I always see successful traders from the gas industry, like Raja. Ah, that's hilarious. Yeah, Raja's story is he used to work in as a gas fitter or something, right? No, it's just a coincidence. It's just a coincidence. I haven't made anything from trading yet. I'm losing and learning at the same time. Bro, that's the game. That's the game. You're not meant to make any. You're not meant to make any. And if you do, it's probably luck or it's just a little bit here and there. The goal of trading is to get to a point where you can consistently make money. Hey, you guys, the best, I'll tell you right now, the biggest thing that's fucking helped me, man, is that you need to download this software called MT5 Simulator. It costs a bit of money. It's like, you guys, if you can't fucking pay $100 to try to really, okay, put it this way. Anyone that's on the stream right now has high ambitions of being a successful trader. They really want to fucking crush this thing. They want to set their family free, buy their friends, whatever. But you don't want to pay $100 for something that's going to substantially help your trading. Bro, MT5 Simulator, it's $100 up front and then $10 a month. And it simulates the real-time markets. I go back, I test my strategy. I do it all the time. It's helped my trading so much. Holding buy from 4-hour demand. Nice. Good stuff. How long does it take to be really good at trading? Everyone's different. So this 4 hours about to flip green, potentially. Big wick over there. Like I said earlier, like someone said in the chat, it's like a 4-hour rejection zone, obviously, right? My only reservation would be like, what's the probability of this wick getting any bigger? Pretty low, I believe. Oh, you never know. Like, it can happen, obviously, but it's already pretty extended. Anything can happen. Anytime I've ever thought in the markets, like, what are the chances of this happening? And then it happens. It's like, okay, well, guess that's the chances. It's like the chances were against me. But you do, a lot of the time, you do kind of weigh the probabilities of like, what is the probability of this happening? You know, you got to take that into consideration. What time frame do you use? Mainly I don't go any lower than the 15. I don't go any lower than the 15. So a lot of retracement here now. Like, obviously, you know, we've had a lot of red. It's very rare that you see like a lot of red naked like that without getting filled. $202 viewers on TikTok, Dan. Yeah, I know. Amazing. Amazing. Glad to have the TikTok cats back in the scene. YouTube popping off. It's all happening. You guys on TikTok, I'm on YouTube as well right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. It's like kind of landscape. Daniel, why don't you use demo instead of spending money? Because I make money. Where do you close your short on BTC from 100? Are you talking about the trade that I took from 100, Tom? Bro, I caught a massive trade. Yeah, when it tapped into 100, I took it at this drop here. I took this big drop here. It ended up dropping quite a lot more, but yeah. So what are you doing over here, Goldie? 30, 15. So we'll hang out over here. We'll hang out. We'll see. Let's see. What strategy do you use? This price action. Pay attention to candlesticks. Oh, Zeke, what up, brother? Doing the rounds. How long does it take to learn trading from good mentors? Everyone's different. you got to ask yourself, what do you mean by learn? Like, because there's levels, right? There's, okay, you can learn a strategy, like you can learn the basics, the fundamentals, and a simple strategy within a couple months. That's not what's hard. What's hard is time in the market, being in different environments, different stresses, and learning to manage your emotions in them states. Anytime that any trader has ever taken time to get good at trading isn't because of their strategy or what they understand. It's about their emotional state. Like, that's the hardest part. How am I going to manage when I took an L and then a little bit of emotion took over and I wanted to re-enter to get my money back, and I took another L. Now I'm down money. Fuck, that was the money I was meant to pay for rent or whatever it might be. Like, okay, I'm making it dramatic, but you get what I'm saying, man. Like, it's the strategy and like the understanding part is pretty easy. I will be honest though, people do underestimate the strategy is important. Like, most strategies can work, but you got to really understand your strategy. You can't be like, well, I just wait for it to hit a level and click buy. Like, you got to really understand. And that's where that MT5 simulator comes in. You can really backtest and get to know your shit. Thanks for all the follows there on TikTok. You guys are, bro, I nearly got 200 follows here on TikTok. No, I only trade gold. What level do you think you're at? 1 billion. I'm in God tier. And then I take a trade and lose. What do you think about ICT concepts? I don't. I never implemented that kind of stuff, bro, and I'm glad I don't. If 90% of traders lose and 90% of traders use ICT, there's a bit of a correlation. Why you didn't buy after the last 15-minute candle close? Because there's resistance here, right? There's a resistance point here and also here. And I had to question, one, I'm going against a trend, and two, there's two key levels right there and there. What's the probability of it having enough strength to punch through those two levels and go against the trend? For me, it's pretty low, so I sat that one out. Because that's all trading is. You got to weigh up the pros and cons, and for me, the cons outweighed the pros, so I stood this one down. Infinite Soul, good to see you. Happy New Year to you. Hope you're ready to crush this year. Oh, look at this. The 4-hour closed. The 4 hours flipping green over here, you guys. Massive rejection. Yeah, cool story. Cool story on the 4-hour. You know, like I said, we had Asia push down, pre-London push down, and now maybe we're having some sort of retracement. Trend is no longer going down. Well, the session trend, yeah, the session trend is now pushing back up. And the good thing about this, so check this out, you guys. The good thing about what's happening over here is, okay, we know that there's a level here. So let me just move this one up here because this is too far away now. We know there's a resistance level there. If I get a break past that level, look how clean this range is to the left over here, you guys. Fucking sign me up, right? But I need a few things to happen before that happens. Can anyone please tell me what would happen, what I need? I know the cats that are in the Discord and shit would know. But if this candle here breaks out here and I go, okay, cool, I'm looking for some sort of breakout above now. Can I take that buy? Can anyone please tell me there's some cats in the Discord that know this? Can I take that buy? People say retest, looks like it'll go up and down. Yes, you can. Yes, retest the zone. Yes, yes, you can. No way, no, no, no. I'll tell you what I personally would need, you guys. I don't necessarily need a retest, but I need a red candle printed to some regard. I need a little bit of support there first before I have enough faith that it's got enough strength to then push up beyond. And the reason for that is because this candle here has moved, what, 100 pips green? 100 pips green. So then you have to ask yourself, well, not 100. Let's say it'll be about 80 pips by that point. Then you've got to ask yourself, what's the probability that it can continue to push green without it needing to create support first. That's all. That's all. From my understanding of technical analysis and backtesting and price action, I know I have the higher probability when there's a bit of support formed first before it continues away in these types of instances. So that's what I'm going to wait for. News. I haven't really even looked at news. What do we got? Anything coming up today? Tonight? Nah. Oh, hang on. Let's have a look. Nah, no news. No red folder news at least. I would say you should have taken it earlier and your TP would have been... Hey, bro. You know what else I should have done? I should have taken a sell there, and I also should have taken a buy there. Like, yeah, everything's good in hindsight. But that's... So this is amateur hour. Like, amateur hour is seeing a candle move and going, oh shit, I'm going to enter. Like, I have to wait for a signal. And I know there's a lot of people going, well, there's a 4-hour rejection zone. I'll take a buy now. I don't trade like that. I need like particular printed candles to give me a signal, not just, okay, it's at an area, I'm going to enter. Which I'm not saying there's anything wrong with trading like that. It's just not how I trade. Got a Lambo. Nah, bro, I'm a loser. Damn, we're crushing it with the TikTok numbers, man. I really, when my old account got shut down, I started this new one. I didn't get discouraged. I didn't cry and go, oh, my old account got shut down. I just got straight back to work, and this account's going way crazy than the prior one. I've got pretty big plans to grow everything, even my PP. Still looking for sales, Daniel? Potentially. Potential sales as well. Yep. But I need candles to print to give me an indication. No, I don't zoom out. There's no... If you want to see a zoomed out version, go to YouTube. YouTube, you can see the full screen. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Thanks, Dillo. I appreciate that, brother. A breakout closure and a rejection candle. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Have to print red. Yeah. See, the guys over here on YouTube, the guys on YouTube have been here for longer than TikTok guys, so you guys understand how it works. You guys on TikTok, there's a Discord in my bio. No, I'm not selling anything. It's not a Discord. Like, buy my shit. I don't sell anything. It's just I need friends that have the same ambitions and passions as me. So let's join the Discord or pay the price. Do you explain your whole strategy on YouTube? Not really. Like, you'll get the most out of just seeing live trading, just talking freely like this. Like, I might, like, eventually start to break it down and things like that, like, in video form. But, yeah, on the Discord on Sundays and stuff, we'll start doing our closed stream together where we go through strategy and shit. Watching from Ghana. Nice, bros. Y'all should learn patience, bro. That's the biggest thing. What are you looking for at the chart right now? Well, you know, oh, we've got 30 seconds over here for this candle to close, right? Let's see if it can break above this range here. I'll tell you what I'm looking for. Let's just, if this can break above over here. Let's just see that first of all. Watching from Kenya. Oh, nice. 8 seconds. Yep. See that little push there? Cedric, what up, brother? What up? All right, nice. So what I said before, anyone that's new, I said, this is great. I'm interested in buys, but I need a red candle to print here first now. I need this current candle to print red, and then the next candle, I'll take an impulse buy if it can break above that range there. That's exactly what I need, you guys. And the reason why is because it's moved 80 pips just green, where if I want to join the ride to continue up, I have to think, well, what's the probability that it's just going to keep moving up without needing to create a bit of support first? I know with price action and my strategy and backtesting and time on the charts, that the higher probability is if a bit of support is formed first. So that's what I'm going to wait for. And that's what's up. And I think that would be a great trade if that works. How often do you go live? I'm live every day, so make sure you're following, you guys. I'll be live every day to this day. The only reason I haven't been live, well, it's been holidays. I've had a bit of time off, sort of. And my old account got shut down, but this one's more secure now. I'm with like a TikTok team and shit. And this is for educational purposes only, and it's not financial advice. I have to say things like that because it's the truth. It is the truth. I'd actually, whatever. Where can I learn your strategy? By showing up to the stream every day, asking questions, and let's just fucking hang out. And also join the Discord, because on a Sunday we get together in the Discord, closed group. Only people that are in the Discord can join on a Sunday, and we hang out there, bro. And we run through the simulator together and talk strategy, talk about how cool we are, and just, bro, we crush it. We crush. Wow, what the fuck? I just got like 1 million follows on TikTok. Bro, I got banned for crazy honest. Yeah, bro. It's so like TikTok, it has like an automated system, man. Can you break down your strategy, bro? I'll keep talking through it as we trade live. Yeah, on my YouTube, I uploaded a simulation session on my YouTube, Daniel Holmes Trades, and on that, it's me just running through the simulator with the team in the Discord live and just executing trade after trade, right? You can see in real time how I would execute trades and run through strategy and talk about what I'm thinking and looking at. And so yeah, Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. I'm also live there right now, and it's a fucking, you know, it's not like a phone screen, it's a long one, horizontal. Yeah, only gold, only gold. Have to print red, exactly, bros. Gaming Realm, what up, brother? Ben, what up, brother? Good to have you guys on the YouTube. Hey, TikTok, if you check the chat, if you were to type that into YouTube, you'll see my shit popping off there. It's way better screen over there. Way better than YouTube. Hey, I remember you. Souls. Yeah, I'm back with a vengeance. Tactics relentless. What do we got over here? Cool. Very little wick on this. Very small wick on that 15 that closed. The 30's still open. I'm not entirely sold on this movement up just yet, you guys. I'm not entirely sold. I could be sold. Like it could sell. I could get sells. A cookie caca, but we'll just see. I'm interested to see how this 30 closes. Are you profitable, bro? Yeah, I am. I don't know, bro. Obviously the answer is yes, but it's like, I think as traders, especially when we're new, you get this idea in your head, like you get so obsessed with this idea of profitability, right? Are you profitable? I don't know what I'm trying to say. I think we think too much about trading and like getting to certain levels and like, are you profitable? Have you passed a challenge? Are you getting payouts? Instead of just going, I'm not taking a stab. I'm actually just trying to speak thoughts. Instead of just going, just fucking show up and trade. I don't know. But yeah, the answer is yes. Hey bro, I can't join the Discord. It keeps sending me to an app store. Yeah, it's because you don't have Discord downloaded. If you just copy that link and paste it into your browser, then you'll be able to join. Yeah, YouTube is so much better to see clearer. Ah, there you go. See? YouTube's where it's at, gang. Looking like a nice buy. I need this candle to close red personally. What news do you look at for the Forex Factory? Just red folder. Only to stay away from, really. I'd rather be consistent than profitable. Yeah, exactly. I think that's what I'm trying to say. It's more like, because really, somebody could get a few withdrawals or do this and that and be like, Thank you, Laser. That's a better question to ask people. Are you consistent? Because to say to someone, are you profitable? It's so subjective, right? People can say they're profitable, but it's like, are they talking about this week, this year? Like, it's like, are you consistent? Are you just a consistent trader that typically does well? Do you show up every day? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. Nice, Muzz. Good shit. What is YouTube? Wow. Oh, okay. I'm a dummy. I thought you were like literally asking what is YouTube. I'm assuming you're meaning what is my YouTube. It's Daniel Holmes Trades. It's the same name as my bio, my thing on TikTok. If you just type that into YouTube, you'll see a full screen. So you say Sunday, we do a meetup. Yep, absolutely. If you're in the Discord on a Sunday, we get together on a Zoom, a closed Zoom thing together, and we run through a simulator and just talk strategy and just, we crush the game together. Absolutely not will I change my title to that. Why is it moving so slow? It's not. Bro, I need to recover from losses. I lost like 2K on a live account last week, down to my last 500. Brother, you need to stop trading. If you're down to your last $500, do not put that back into the charts. Do not put that back into the charts. You should be buying cheap challenges if you're still at that kind of stage. Wow, 405 people here live on TikTok. Bro, don't do that. Alright, good to see you. Really good to see you. You're an OG. You're an OG. Great to have you here. Great to have you here. Zoom call, yeah, on the Discord. On a Sunday we'll get together on a Zoom, not a Zoom call, but like a screen share, and we can all be there. And if you want to have your camera on, if you don't, I'll be here just in the hot seat, and we'll just run through strategy. How much money would you put into your live account to start your first live trade? I honestly wouldn't. I would buy a very cheap challenge, because that way there's a set of rules that you need to abide by. It's cheaper than using your real money, because you're going to lose your real money. Like, it's a 100% chance you're going to lose your money. So instead of losing all your money, why not just lose a little bit, but also be in a challenge which has parameters that you have to abide by, and try to get better that way. So we've got 6 minutes over here for this 15 to close. There's also going to be a 30-minute closure, and we'll see. We'll see, you guys. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. 300 follows from this stream is alone. Crazy. Do you only trade gold? Yep. I used to trade multiple pairs, and I found the most success when I stuck to gold. Just one session, which is London Open, specifically London Open, not pre-London or fucking London Open, gold, and one strategy. Game changer for me. And I just show up every day at that time, and I just rinse and repeat, because it also helps me understand. I know how gold moves at London Open now. I'm very well versed on how gold moves at London Open, because I show up at the same time, the same day, with the same dick. So I'm all over it. Chris, what up? It's incredible to see you, brother. Good to see you back as well. You know what I'm saying? So I'd suggest that as well, to be honest, just to I'd suggest that. Are you looking for a long or short? It depends on how this 15-minute candle closes. I'll get back to you once this 15-minute candle closes. You guys, you got to understand as well, this is very early in the year. We're very early in the year to be trading right now. So if a clean setup doesn't arise today, that's completely fine. It's fine any day, but a lot of traders still aren't trading yet. What time is London session for Sydney? I don't know, just Google it. If you don't know what time the London Open and shit is, just go to babypips.com, babypips.com, and see this. there's a thing that shows if you move it adjusts to where your time zone is. So I can see here where I am at 7:25 p.m. on a Monday, and with London Open's been open for an hour and 25 minutes, right? So this is a good tool to use if you don't know when the session times are. What up, Crypto M? Not allowed to join the Discord, Daniel? Yeah, you are. You just, if it's not letting you, you have to copy the link and paste it into your browser, because it means you don't have the app on your phone or some shit. How many times does it take for you to be consistent? What do you mean? I like you because my mentor is Raja Banks and you trade the same. Ah, amazing. Love Raja Banks. Love I would really like to meet him one day. I like Raja Banks, obviously because his strategy is one of the early guys that I ever came across, but I like his demeanor and I like he's a businessman and he's also quite honest. Gold's taking the absolute mic. Yeah, and that happens. Like, and there's still time. There's still time. There's still time. Nothing super clean is like really making my making me nothing's getting me too excited just yet, but we'll see. The 4-hour closed in 30, which is a bit how you going. We'll see. And if nothing clean, like here's the thing, you guys. A lot of people will sit here in front of the charts like I am right now, and I'm sure that you guys are, for what, an hour or 2 or 2.5 even, and be like, okay, no clean setup. My strategy really hasn't presented itself just yet. And they'll get impatient. And we all know what comes next. You take a dumbass trade because you're impatient and you just kind of want to feel something and you enter a shitty trade. I'm happy to sit here for fucking 20 hours, and until I see what I need to see, I'm not taking a trade, because I know all the pain that I've put myself through and all the money that I've lost is because I got impatient, I acted like an idiot, and I took a shitty trade. So now I wait. I don't need to put myself through pain. Can anyone agree with that? Has anyone been like, you know what? Does anyone know what I'm saying over here? Type shit. Facts. Word. Damn, you're right. Yep. Facts. Yep. And it sucks because you can look back and be like, bro, anytime I've ever lost, it's because I was an idiot. I was a degenerate and I just couldn't do it. I was being a bitch. And that's where the psychology comes into play, where you have to look in the mirror and be like, why am I such a bitch? Like, why am I so impatient? Or why do I get angry when I take a loss? Where did that stem from? And it's usually like childhood shit. I'm being honest, you guys. You really have to work on yourself if you want to become a good trader. It's like childhood shit. Like, I had to look a lot in the mirror and be like, why do I do these certain things? And I identified, man, I've been doing this behavior from a kid when like I lost a game on Xbox and I rage quit or whatever it might be. I'm just trying to think of things, but there's shit there, man. The more I've got to think, the more I've kind of come up with this idea that like, if you come from a good family, you're probably going to be a better trader. I'm not even joking. But then I also realized that's not the case, because you also have to be a bit crazy. And coming from a good family doesn't necessarily equate to crazy. Anyway, so look at this. A 30-minute failed to break out over here. The 1 hour is still open. The 4 hour is in a danger zone over here. It closed in 30 minutes. That's me. The weird thing is I can get the blues in almost 90% of my entries, but I don't take it yet. It's a fear, right? I'm greedy as fuck. See, and you gotta, bro, be inspired. I'm glad you said that out loud. Just even saying things out loud like I'm greedy can help you get better and not being greedy, because it's out in the open. It's what do you listen to this, guys? This is the most important thing I've ever said in relation to trading. Why do you think in Alcoholics Anonymous, the first step is admitting you have a problem? It's the best thing you can do because now it's out in the open. I'm greedy. I revenge trade because I get angry. I'm a sore loser. Right? It makes sense. Get it out. Be real with yourself. And this is why most traders fail, because you motherfuckers aren't real with yourselves in life. Bro, I'm going to be honest with you guys. A lot of you guys are probably little bitches. I'm just saying it. There, I said it. You guys are little bitches because you don't want to look in the mirror and admit that you're a little bitch, essentially. I do. I say to myself, I'm a little bitch when I'm acting like a little bitch. You got to get real with yourself, man. If you want, people say, oh, the reason I lose is because of my strategy. Nah, it's because you're a little bitch. I'm telling you. Because you're a little bitch. Oh, fuck. But you know what I'm saying, man. You know what I'm saying over here. You know what I'm saying, you guys. I'm being a dick, but I'm not being serious. You know what I'm saying. So let's have a look, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. No, there's not a Dan on fire. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Nothing clean is gonna set up for me personally within the next 30 minutes at least. I'm gonna need at least 30 more minutes. So I've got to make a conscious decision if I'm gonna potentially sit here for another 30 minutes or not. I'll hang out here for another 30 minutes to wait for a setup if you guys are gonna hang out as well. Are you guys keen to hang out for another 30 for a potential setup? Yeah? Yep, you are? I'll wait. Okay. We hanging? Alright, definitely. Chilling and billing. Alright, dope. Okay. If it's easier for you guys to hang out as well, like, cause when I trade as well, I'll have live streams and shit in the background. It's always on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now, Daniel Holmes Trades, if you want to fucking chill with your phone type shit. Daniel Holmes Trades. And it's a better screen as well. It's like a full screen. Ah, nice. Raj, you're the same, but I follow you because you look the same. Good man. Thank you, brother. Dope. Max Vaperson is a sore lose. Yes, Danny. Okay, dope, brother. I'll be entering on the futures, but I'm looking at Forex. I actually base it off Forex, but I'll enter on futures. Brother, why don't you create a Telegram group or something? You have really good base. I have a Discord. Telegram is so spammy to me. I would never do it because I don't believe in signals. And Telegram's hella spammy, but I believe in like community and hanging out with people, so that's why I've got a Discord. It's in my bio. Love the mustache. Thank you, brother. Fuck, my only reservation is I haven't eaten. I might have to Uber it. Again, I have to say this is not financial advice, and it's for education and entertainment purposes only. My results aren't typical, and what I do does not reflect what you should do. Just followed you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. Discord Vite says outdated. No, it doesn't. Does it actually say outdated? I think you need to copy and paste the link in. Copy the link and paste it into your browser. Impossible. It doesn't say outdated. Impossible. Which state are you in? Queensland. Hello, Daniel. I got a question. Can I go on? That's a fucking interesting way to get to it. I like the respect. You shall go on. I like the respect of the kind of preferencing, hey, I'm coming forth with a question. May I continue with such? Just followed you. I'm a new trader. Hope I gain something. Thank you for the follow, and I believe that you will, my brother. I believe that you will. Yeah, not the best price action, you guys. Not the best price action, I'll be honest. That's why I said I'm gonna have to wait a little bit over here for something to kind of start printing. I want to see how this next 15 prints. I'll tell you what I could be interested in, actually. Check this out. So let's say this current candle that's open right now. Yeah, actually. Let's say this current candle does something like this. Closes something like this. And then maybe the next one closes something like this. If that next one can close something like this, then I'll take a buy before it gets back up into this resistance zone about there, with anticipation that it's going to have enough strength to punch through, and I may even add to the position there. That's something I could be interested in a lot, to be brutally honest. But what I think is going to happen, I think we're going to retest this zone here at some point, because when that new 4 hour opens up, there's a high probability that it's going to wick down and retest this wick 1000%. If I will literally eat a bucket of dog shit if this wick here does not get retested. Mark my words. At some point, this will get retested, and I believe it could happen when the new 4 hour opens up. Bro, 400 new follows here via this stream on TikTok. Wild stuff over here. Is that an onion? Absolutely, Wayne. Yep. That would be considered some sort of onion. Start eating, bro. Nah. It's happening. Are you real? Bro, I'm so real. It's out of this world. I'm AI. Bro, what time do you stream tomorrow on TikTok? I'll be live every day during the London Open session. So if you don't know what London Open is, go to babypips.com, go to their time calendar calculator thing. And for me, London Open is 6 p.m. For you, I don't know what time that is. So just go to that calculator and you'll be able to tell. Bro, if I get to 500 follows here on TikTok, that's wild. That's wild. Yeah, Chris, we're doing this Sunday, absolutely. I was saying to you guys, so guys on TikTok, in my Discord on a Sunday, we get together now. Like every Sunday, we'll get together and run through some strategy stuff in a closed Discord group. So if you're not in the Discord, please jump in, man. I want to connect with more traders. If you guys are passionate about this, especially if you're a price action trader like I am, we run through a price action strategy on the simulator and we just talk through it real time. No fucking weird shit. It's all free. We just crush the game. We crush the game, you guys. May I buy? Someone said. What is your order, boss? Buy or sell? Wait. My order at the moment is wait. I have to wait. There's no clear indication in the way that these candles are printed just yet. The 4 hours about to close. To be honest, I would typically jump off stream, but I said, you know what? I'm going to hang out a little bit more. It's my first stream of the year. I'll hang out a bit longer and wait for a setup. If I hang out and a setup does not arise, that's 100% okay. That's 100% okay. Because what does an amateur do? They say, I've been sitting here all day and nothing's happened. Fuck it. Click. Take a shitty trade and lose. And hey, I'm talking from experience. I've been that shitty trader plenty of times. Now what am I? I'm fucking jacked. You know what I'm saying? Ella, how the funded account's going? Amazing. Wow. Long time. Ella's been a day one-up. If you go back to my old streams, me and Ella are just on there fucking trading 15k challenge accounts. Yeah, I'm trading a couple more. I'm trading two 100k challenge accounts at the moment. I've got a funded one, but I'm trying to pass two more. Well, I'm not trying to. I will pass two more because I want to get multiple running at once type shit. One thing for sure, you don't feel boring in your stream. A lot of streamers are so boring. Appreciate that. It's boring if you guys don't talk and ask questions. That's for sure. Because I just sit here like a freaking goose. A goosey. Your Discord link isn't working. Yes, it is. You need to copy the link and paste it into your browser if it doesn't work for you. No, I don't trade FTMO. I'm with Apex at the moment. Do you live alone? Yeah, I do. I live alone. Okay, here's a question. What was your drive when you started trading and struggling? When I started trading, I hit rock bottom in life. Like rock bottom. I could go into detail, but I won't. But I hit rock bottom. And I said, I looked in the mirror metaphorically and said, I'm 30 years old. I've tried a lot of small businesses. I've tried this, I've tried that. And nothing's really kicked off. All I've ever wanted is to kind of pursue something where I know I can put in the work. I know if it's me in this game, I will succeed. But I've tried and it hasn't worked. And it never really felt right. So here I am at rock bottom. My Instagram got shut down. I just left a relationship. I flew into a different country because I was just like, man, I need to get away. I was like really bad, almost like, you know, I can't say the word where you don't want to be around anymore. And I thought, man, this might be my last chance to really try and figure some shit out. So I was waking up and I was depressed. And I remember specifically just writing into Google, highest paying jobs, engineer, doctor. The third one down was like stock trader. I thought, what the fuck is trading? I've always wondered what trading is. Started looking into it. Bro, I was hooked immediately. Like, where the fuck has this been my whole life? You mean I don't need a degree? I don't need a certificate. You don't need to know where I came from or grew up or my history or my family. It's just me and a fucking computer screen. I'm in. I don't care how long it takes. I'm gonna fucking learn this and I'm gonna figure it out. And that's what I did. Anyway, I sucked for a long time. I lost a lot of money and even sometimes I kind of walked away from it, not because I wanted to, but because I had to work and I got distracted with girls or whatever it might be. But the last 8 months, I said, man, no more fucking around. This is it, man. I locked in. I started streaming live. I started taking it really serious. I started really identifying my strategy, back testing, writing plans, looking in the mirror, quitting some vices. And yeah, here we are. Your computer screen, your mind, absolutely, bro. Where can I find your Discord link? In my bio. As I just spat fucking bars, a whole life story. Need your opinion on something, boss. Hit me, bruz. Ever thought of moving to Dubai? Yeah, of course. Everyone probably has. No tax. For real, no one believes in not even my family. Guess who doesn't care? I'm just in my room reading. No one's gonna care. No one's gonna care. No one's gonna take you serious. And they probably shouldn't. You've probably given them reason not to. And I'm not saying you in particular, I'm talking about me, everyone. When we get into trading, you think people give a shit. People aren't gonna take you serious until you take yourself serious. Until you start getting results. Until you start saying, no, I can't hang out. I'm on the charts. No, I can't do this weekend. I'm studying. Why are people going to take you serious when you're not taking it serious? And maybe you are, but it's going to take time. Don't tell people. Just show them when you're actually crushing the game. Because it's going to discourage you potentially. Who's your mentor? No one. Like over time, like Raja Banks I learned from, you know what I mean? Nick Stewart I enjoyed and I learned a bit from as well. Guys like Don Vu, which I don't necessarily like what Don Vu and the way he portrays himself and what he's done in this industry as a person, but you know, kind of took pieces here and there and just put my own thing together and just said, okay, I know my bro. And this is the thing. This is fucking important, you guys. You need to know your strategy like a back of your fucking hand. Like I know every single thing about my strategy So when I jump on the charts, I know exactly what I need to do and wait for and etc. So, yeah. Where can I find your TikTok? Bro, you're on my TikTok. What? Where can I find your TikTok? You're on my fucking TikTok. Oh, shit the bed. How old are you, bro? I'm 30. I just turned 34. I just turned 34. I just turned 4. I know it doesn't seem like it when I'm fucking screaming and carrying on, but just join your Discord. Oh, amazing, brother. Glad to have you there. Again, if any of you guys have any analysis, drop it in the Discord, you guys, and I'll pull it up on stream. We'll have a look. We'll have a look. Where can I find... Nah. Are you guys fucking rage baiting me? This guy said, where can I find your live? Where can I find your live? Hey, bro. You're on it. You're on my live. Is this, am I getting baited, you guys? Am I getting baited? You look 23. I'll take it. I'll take it. You look 12. Oh, fuck, it's just getting lower and lower. What's your strategy, bro? Price action. Join the Discord. I'll run it through. Thanks a lot. Much love. See you at the top. NS. Love you, brother. I hope you keep joining the stream. I only trade gold. Yeah, that's right, JJ. Where can I find your house? He's not real. You're a shouter. Sorry, I don't usually shout. I just got fired up. Where can I find your live is crazy. Do you provide signals? Absolutely not. But I trade live. Like, what better of a signal is fucking somebody doing it live, right? He's testing your patience, I guess so. How long does it take to master your strategy if you're consistent? It depends. Everyone's different. Live is going strong, mate. Bro, live is going fucking wild, you guys. Appreciate you guys a lot. Love it. Where can I find your YouTube channel? All right, let's do a quick bit of analysis. This 4 hours about to close, you guys. This is serious shit over here. So 10 minutes before this 4 hour closes. The 1 hour is rejecting. I could only imagine it's probably going to hang around here for the remainder. 30 minutes kind of pushing off that area. The 15 rejected that area. Price action still printing like not clear. There's no like, oh, this is what's happened. This is what it kind of wants to do, right? Because you got to go down you got to start the 4 hour, work your way down and see if it's telling you a fucking story. I trade the best. Do you have kids? No, I don't. I trade the best when I look at the market as telling me a story. What is it trying to fucking tell me? How do I understand what it's trying to tell me? I just flick through the time frames. Okay, the 4 hours telling me this. Does the 1 hour tell the same story? Yeah, it does. Oh, the 30? Yeah, actually the 30 as well. The 15. Not only is the 15 telling the same story, it's also giving me an indication of where to enter. Right? Right now, that's not happening. It's not telling me a story right now. It's telling me conflicting things. So I'm waiting a little bit longer to see if I wait a bit longer, is it going to tell me a fucking story over here? Right? That's Carolina. Thank you so much for the gifts. It was good talking to you in the DMs as well. It was good talking to you in the DMs. Right, guys? So I hope that made sense what I just said there. Who did you watch to learn? Early on, it was Raja Banks, right? It was simple, Raja. Stay away. Guys, No, I won't say stay away. Do whatever you need to do, but yeah, I personally learned originally off Raja Banks and just kind of followed his philosophy of price action, fuck all these indicators, you know what I mean? This is not financial advice as well. I have to say this periodically. It's not financial advice. and it's for educational purposes only. Blah blah blah. Danny, you gonna go on an agency on TikTok? Shane, I am. That's what I was saying before. I'm with an agency now, so that's why I feel a bit more secure trading. I'm with an agency now because of you. Thank you, brother. That's what I was saying. Thanks for that advice. Are you waiting for a double bottom? No, none of that kind of shit. I'm just waiting for is this financial? Hey TikTok, I know you're listening. Somebody asked me, is this financial advice? No, this is not financial advice. I'm waiting for the market to give me a clear. My strategy is price action. I pay attention to key areas like support and resistance and wait for candles to print in such a manner. But right now, like I was saying before, I'm waiting for the market to give me a clear indication of what it wants to do next. Right now, I'm getting conflicting ideas. It's telling me two things. It's like there's the devil and the angel in both ears, right? And right now they're both equally strong. I want to enter a trade when one is much stronger than the other, and right now that's not the case. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer and see if that does become the case. You should put in fine print. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't make a difference. I've tried it all. It doesn't make a difference. It's really about what you're saying and things like that. Like TikTok, the bot and algorithm type shit, it really listens to what you're saying. Like it pays attention. You guys, I'm nearly at 20,000 likes on TikTok. If I can get to 50,000, see how I raised the bar way high. If I get to 50,000, I'll do something. Would you take a short on a break? Would you take short on a break or the doji? No, like I need more confirmation than I need to stack confluences. Essentially, I need multiple confirmations. So if I just see a doji, I'm not like, okay, I need multiple things, and right now I'm not getting enough just yet. What up, Prince, brother? Good to have you here. Good to have you. Oh, look at that. I just bumped up a couple of thousand likes here on TikTok when I said that thing before. Are you religious? I would say I'm getting closer to becoming somebody that would almost consider themselves religious. I'm not there yet. I'm far from there yet to say that. But I believe in the last year, I've definitely moved closer to God, I would say. I would definitely say that. The last 6 months, bro, I had so much. I've made more personal growth in probably the last 8 months than I have in the last 8 years. Bro, please, what do you think about supply and demand plus price action? I don't know about supply and demand. I like actual support and resistance, and then because supply and demand guys, they'll wait for a key area to be hit and then just press the button, right? Buy or sell. I need to wait till it gets there and then wait for candles to print and shit like that. Thanks, Dilwa. Yeah. If you get to 50k likes, you mentor. If I get you to 50k likes, you mentor me. Okay, deal. Joker, what up, brother? Good morning to you. It's a good night to me. Amazing, Marika. No Trace, good to have you here. Kiri Wu, good to have you here. What did you do? What did that personal growth entail? A lot of looking in the mirror. And a big thing is like dropping vices, you guys. Dropping vices is like the biggest fucking thing you can do. We're all such fucking bitches. Like, honestly, we really are all bitches, you guys, in terms of like, we're so weak a lot of the times to these things that are our comforts. And, it's too deep. But yeah, just a lot of looking in the mirror and just removing. I've been sick the last couple of days. Oh, that was so disgusting. You hear a lot of like gurus and shit say this, but it's so true. Growth is so much more about removing the shitty parts of your life as it is to improve the best parts. If you just remove the shit parts of who you are or what you participate in, your life gets exponentially better. All you need to do is remove the shit fucking stuff, the vices, the things that hold you back, the terrible behaviors, right? I'll give you 70K to mentor me. Yeah. What's the play, bro? Bro, right now I'm waiting for this 4-hour close in 3 minutes. I'm gonna wait for this and then see if something prints nice. Because right now, nothing clean's present itself. So I'm moving my resistance point to here as well. Nothing clean has presented itself just yet, bro. That's all. So I'm gonna wait over here a little bit longer. You're right, it's so much better to watch on YouTube. See? Yeah, 100%. Way better on YouTube, you guys. I'm live there on YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades. We don't fuck around on YouTube. It's like a way better screen. It's all about becoming the best version of yourself and always trying not to just... And trying to not just help yourself. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard in terms of the people around you in your age. What do you mean by that? That is deep. Sounds simple, but it's not. Oh, Caroline, I hope you've seen what I said before. I said thank you for the gifts, and it was good to chat with you in the DM. Just saw a bullish FVG. I don't know anything about that stuff. So we've got 2 minutes here for this 4-hour to close, you guys. I'm going to wait. I'll wait a little bit longer after this 4-hour and see if something presents itself. That's clean. Let me have a look. Let me have a look here. I'm still bearish, to be honest. We'll see. We will wait patiently for that confirmation. Absolutely. That's exactly it. Exactly it. Just wait patiently for this confirmation. What's a reasonable price to pay for a mentor? Man, it depends. It depends. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. Have you got a dog? No. No. I'm new here. How do you go about your trade? Please excuse my ignorance. It's too broad of a question, brother. I'd love to help you out, but that's too broad. What pair is this? You can see it's gold. Amazing, Carolina. Why is the market moving so slow today? I wouldn't say it's moving slow. This is just how the markets move. Like, typically when we have a lot of volume pre-Asia and pre-London, like it moved 200 pips Asia to pre-London, you know, it typically will be a bit slower during the London Open, but we had a big push up during London Open, like, you know, it's 80 pips. Not bad. Hasn't broken 4-hour bearish still. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All glory to God. Nice. All glory to God over there. How's the dog, Dan? Oh, yeah. No, the dog's good. The dog's back with my sister now, so... But, yeah, dog was sweet. So I'm looking at this over here and thinking... I'm looking at this over here and thinking, if this next 30 can open up and wick up, I would like a decent wick, something like that. And then flip red. I may be interested in taking a sell. Let me have a look. So the new 4-hour just opened over here. Big wick, small body. I do expect that wick to get kind of tested to some regard. Like, not all the way, even if it just tests to there. And if it does, can I be a part of that ride type shit? The 1 hour showed rejection and weakening. The 30-minute showed rejection and weakening to the point in which it flipped. The 15's pretty messy. I am interested in a sell if this can wick up further and then flip red again. I'm not interested in it just yet, but if it can wick up further and then flip red, I'm interested. Yeah, I'm watching on TradingView. Opinion on prop firms? They're good. How long have you been trading for? 2.5 years. Probably come up close to 3. 2.5, 3. Are you going for longs? I just described what I'm looking for. What are you waiting on? I just literally described it. Literally. So let's look over here. How did you start learning? First thing I did was the Baby Pips course. And then I just started fucking Googling. I knew I didn't want to get involved in indicators. I never, like I did go through an indicator phase, but I didn't do it for long. I stayed away from indicators. I knew candles just moving, candlestick price action analysis was all I needed. So I made a big effort to learn just that. What's the difference between Gold Awanda and Capital.com on TradingView? It's just different brokers giving different price. Like it's going to be very similar, but yeah, it's going to be a little bit different. I stick to Awanda personally. What's your strategy? Just price action, support resistance, breakouts, bounces, bing bongs, bang bings. How long did it take to be emotionless while trading? A long time, and I'm still not there yet. It's a daily practice. So like anything in life, it's like, how did you become so good at this thing? It's like, well, I'm not good at it. I am today because I practiced yesterday. But if I don't practice today, I won't be tomorrow, right? So it's a daily practice. A lot of reflection, a lot of journaling, a lot of understanding this and that. Happy New Year to you too, Graffiti. Good to see you, brother. What time do you go live? I go live London Open every day during the London Open session. And if you don't know when the London Open session is for you, I suggest you go to babypips.com and look at their time zone converter. And it shows me that London Open is 6 p.m. on a Monday, every single fucking day. And if you don't know what fucking time it is for fucking you can just fucking go to this and you fucking see it. Bro, I've been on stream so long, I'm going fucking crazy. What advice would you give to a beginner? Todd, you've come to the right place, my brother. What advice would we give to a beginner? I'll be honest, it's a pretty broad question because you could be a beginner in the sense that I'm going to assume that you have a bit of an understanding of the basics. I'm going to give you that. I'm going to give you that. I'm going to fucking, my advice would be go wild, actually. My advice would be do whatever. Do whatever because you need to do that. You need to go fucking crazy, bro. You need to lose money. You need to feel pain. You need to feel confused. You need to try this strategy. You need to try that strategy, this indicator. And then out of all that confusion, after like 6 months to a year, you start honing in on what feels right for you. You start honing in and going, hang on, I'm not a swing trader. I can't hold trades long. It doesn't match my personality. But I'm also not a scalper on the 1 minute time frame either. It doesn't suit my personality. Maybe I like to focus on the 15 minute. And you start to figure it out. So my advice would be go crazy, do everything, lose money, cry, scream, quit, come back. But don't give up. Don't give up and start to think, all right, Now I've been in the game a while. Let me start to figure out what suits my personality. Where have I found success and where have I found failure? And start to put the shit together, brother. That is the fucking... I just freestyled that, and I honestly think that is the best advice you'll hear. I think that makes a lot of sense. So would a person who uses indicators fail in trading? No, not at all. No. You're well spoken. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Or sister, I'm not sure. How long did it take you before you started to become profitable? I won't say how long it took me to start becoming profitable, but I'll tell you when it started to click and started to make more sense. A year and a half, it started to click, and then another half a year to really fine-tune it. It takes about 2 years to really get it together, and that doesn't mean you're consistently profitable, not consistently profitable, but consistently withdrawing money out of the market is a different game. To consistently withdraw money out of the markets, it's going to take like fucking 2 years, bro. Because you have to understand how to manage money. You have to understand how to manage losses, and you can't fast track that. It's not up. You don't have a choice in the matter. It's a law of the universe. People say, "Oh, I was profitable in 6 months." Bro, I will bust on you, bro, because it's not true. It's by the laws of the universe. You can't fast track consistently withdrawing money out of the market. Yeah, of course you can use indicators. Figure out what works for you, my dude. Would baby pips benefit me if I'm trading stocks and not Forex? Yes. But I know you won't do it. You won't do it. You won't do it. You won't do it. And I'm not saying you personally, but I'm saying statistically, most people won't. Statistically, most people won't do shit. Statistically, most people are bitches. And I'm not... Bro, I'm roasting everyone today, but I'm not doing it in a dick way. I've been a bitch a lot of my life, most of my life as well. So this is how I can speak from experience. I can only speak from experience. Most people won't do shit in life, especially in trading. Most people come into trading thinking it's a way to fucking, you know what I mean? They won't treat it like a business or a degree or whatever. So I would love for you to do it, but statistically you won't. This could drop here and I could miss a sell, but I don't trust it. It's fresh. The 4 hours just opened up. Yeah. This looks really nice for a sell. I'm not going to lie. But I don't like to take a sell within the first 15 minutes of a 4 hour opening. That's all. If this drops, I have to say, you know what? Yeah, cool, but I had to stick to the rules. That's all. That's all, you guys. I gave up a while back. I'm trying to get back up. Good shit, man. Yeah, good shit. How do I really learn? Question mark. You really learn by starting by just getting on fucking Google. What is Forex? What is trading? What's a candlestick? What's a doji candle? There's so much for you guys to learn that has nothing to do with the mentor. You do realize that, right? There's so much to be learned that has nothing to do with the mentor. Do you guys realize that? You can just literally jump into Google, see all of these candlesticks, you guys? These all tell a different story. They all have terminology for them. They all tell a story. When they're next to each other in conjunction, they tell another story. All this shit doesn't require a guru. You can literally just fucking jump into Google and start figuring it out. So when people say, teach me how to trade, how do I learn? I'm like, bro, go on Google. Go on fucking Google. And I'm not, I hope you guys don't think I'm being a dick today. I'm really just trying to be honest with you. I'm trying to be real honest today, you guys. That's all. I've been back on TikTok and my TikTok's been popping off. So I've been getting a lot of messages and I've been getting a lot of reoccurring things. So maybe I'm a bit like trying to like make my point clear because a lot of people are fucking retarded. I hope I can say that. Yeah, that's all. Bro, I keep getting banned. Have you ever had the same issue? Andy, thank you for saying that in the comments because I ask other traders when they do it. I got my TikTok shut down, bro. It's really fucked. So one thing is the words you say. So I have to avoid saying anything that sounds like I'm giving financial advice because I'm not giving financial advice. Periodically, I'll say this isn't financial advice because TikTok listens to the words you say. That's what it is. It doesn't care about what you're doing. It listens to what you say. And also, I joined with an agency. I'd suggest you join with an agency. Keep it real. No, that's true. Yeah, okay. I'm glad you guys fucking... Thanks for your honesty, bro. Okay, I'm glad you guys aren't getting offended. Because I'm not actually talking to anyone specifically. What would you say to yourself at 18? Oof. Bro, I was a fucking retard at 18. So I wouldn't say much. I would never compare my 18 to yours because my life circumstances were very weird. But, bro, yeah, the same thing I would say to a beginner trader, just do whatever. Like you're 18, you need to just experience life and just be a goose. Google is the way. YouTube. Yeah, YouTube's a great way to learn as well. And I'm not talking about learning a strategy. I'm talking about learning candlesticks, learning technical analysis. Just put some effort in. That's what I'm trying to say. Put some effort in. Because do you know why people say, oh, can you teach me? Or can I get a guru? It's because they're trying to avoid putting effort in. They think a guru is going to go, here you go. Here's the fucking magic strategy. No, just jump on Google. Understand the basics. Once you understand the basics, then find a guru that you want to help you with strategy. But put in a bit of work first. Because no strategy is going to work until you actually understand the basics. Damn low, you predicted it with test there, line down, heading there. Yeah, and I would have taken this sell. The only reason I didn't want to is because I have a rule that says I can't take a trade within the first 15 minutes of a 4-hour opener. That's all. I've been putting so many hours in for the last 4 months. Good, bro. Good, Sam. Good. Dan, can we quickly look at GU? 100%. All right, let's do a real quick bit of analysis here on GU. So the 4-hour... Let's have a look. Does Daily have a big wick? No. Okay. So it kind of filled that naked range there. Looks like it's rejecting to some regard. It came up, tested. 1 hour. 30. Yeah, GU is ugly right now. I wouldn't be looking at GU for at least another half an hour. For something clear, I mean. So I'm going to hang out for the next... I'm going to hang out for a little bit longer, you guys. Nothing... There's been nearly opportunities, but there's just been nothing really clear. That's all. Like I said, I was going to look at taking a sell here, but if it wasn't the new 4-hour, I would have taken that. To To be honest, you need to lose some money before you try. Yeah, absolutely. You need to lose some money, bro. What's up, Daniel? Question from one profitable trader to another. Do you add to your winners? Absolutely, Cody. Absolutely, brother. Yeah. When I can. When I can. It's not every day that I can, but yes. You got to be watching the charts all day to master them, in my opinion. Need to see thousands of them. In the early stage, I agree. In the early stage, become obsessed with it, bro. Watch the shit out of it. I agree. I agree. It's hard still because I'm greedy, but I know it takes time. Well, the first thing is, and we talked about this before, what's the first step of AA? Admitting you have a problem. I'm glad that you can say that out loud. Hey, my issue is I'm fucking greedy. I hold on to the winners, or I size up because I'm greedy, whatever. The fact that you know that is the first step to getting over it. Do you trade specific sessions or do you trade? But no, I only trade London Open. I found the most success when I stuck to one session, one strategy, and one pair, which is gold. Do you use fair value gaps? Absolutely not. I don't use any of these like ICT concepts. I'm just pure price action. Just saw your video on my For You page, decided to follow. Love your content, bro. Appreciate that. Fuck yeah, appreciate that. My other TikTok got shut down, but I've been a bit more diligent with this one. I'll have this one. I'll keep this one up and just keep trying to push out content, provide value, and jump on the stream every day and just crush it in real time together. I've got a Discord in my bio. On a Sunday, we get together in a closed group in the Discord and run through a strategy session. And so if you're not in the Discord, jump in, gang. And if anyone's got any analysis, bring it up in the Discord and we'll pull it up on stream. ICT is a joke. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know about any of that shit. You guys, it's been a fucking excellent stream. I'm going to call it a day. It's shitty. I'll be honest, guys. Shitty price action for me. I'll hang out a little bit off stream and see if anything happens. But for where it is right now, just so you guys know, just so you guys know what I'm going to be looking at, if I look a little bit off stream, I'm only going to be looking at a break above this level here or a break below this level here for a sell or a buy. Right now, we're stuck in this range. I don't want to participate in this. Nothing clean today. It's fresh in the year. I didn't expect much. I don't know about you guys. I didn't expect much today. Right? It's fucking the 6th of January. Most traders aren't even trading today. So, been an amazing stream. I fucking love you guys. I'll be live every day at 6 p.m. London Open time, wherever you are in the world. And let's crush it. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. It's free. I don't sell anything. We just hang out. I want friends. So, love you guys. And I hope to see you on stream tomorrow. And